There's a new resource in town for Placer County residents who are in the midst of a mental health crisis. The Lotus Behavioral Health Crisis Center is a new voluntary place to stay where folks can spend a few days resting, regrouping, getting help connecting to resources, and making a plan to address their needs. There are a lot of different tools that people in crisis can turn to here in Placer. This could include a phone call to one of our crisis lines where folks can have their needs assessed and be connected with resources. Or it might mean involuntary psychiatric hospitalization, and a lot of options in between, like a longer-term residential stay. It all depends on what level of mental health support you need. The new Lotus Behavioral Health Crisis Center fills an important role. It is a short-term place to stay, designed to better meet the needs of mental health patients. Here, they can decompress for up to 2 days and be treated with dignity as they work to address the immediate crisis and create a game plan to prevent future crises by connecting to the right programs.
We at Placer County are excited to offer this new community resource. Anyone from our community can call and request to be screened. We also expect to hear from our law enforcement and our healthcare partners.
I think the more important thing to understand is just the incredible expansion in need for behavioral health services in our community and our emergency department. The Lotus Center is important because it's going to be able to help us meet patients in the community and address their needs at the right place and the right time and the right way. We're going to be able to provide patients with help with social services, housing services, substance use services, and then help connect them to more intensive treatment programs when needed.
The Lotus Center is located on our campus in Roseville and is open 24/7 to Placer County residents, regardless of their insurance. Here you can connect with trained clinicians as well as peer supports, receive case management and plan your treatment, review any medication you might be on, and more. If you're in the midst of a mental health crisis and think the Lotus Center might be appropriate for you, call our intake line at 1-888-886-5401 for an assessment. If you find yourself in crisis, remember that help is here. Reach out and connect with us.